look at this, it's another drill. Battery, this time it's a hammer drill. Come on. Hammer drill versus hammer. Why is this one so tough? It's some random brand. There's the battery. Oh, and the battery thing just snaps off. How cheap. Batteries, I bet everyone's gonna get so mad about, even though they're discharged. Break them too much, so I gotta recycle them. Just gotta get them out their casing. There we go. Is really tough, I can't even lie. I was going to look and see if I can get it fixed, but I'm not waiting that long. It's been like 5 months since I've gotten this thing. This thing is sturdy as hell. It's probably old or vintage or something. Someone will probably let me know. Can't wait to do all this just for it to be out frame. Oh, there we go. What the hell? This thing is sturdy as hell. Alright, that's the end of that.